Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for steak and gravy over garlic butter noodles. Okay guys, so let's start by preparing these garlic butter noodles. Here I have some extra wide egg noodles and I will be using some parmesan cheese, some garlic. I have some Italian herbs, crushed red peppers, butter, some bouillon and salt. So basically what I did was added my salt and chicken bouillon to the water, and then I started boiling my noodles until they were nice and tender. Now to a skillet, I did add a pinch of oil just to prevent the butter from browning up. Then I go in with my butter and I will add my garlic in here. Allow the garlic to go for about 2 minutes or so before we proceed to the next step. Now in with our noodles, give it a good toss, and we will start adding our butter in a little at a time until the noodles are well coated. Once all the butter is added, you want to then follow up with your Parmesan cheese. Then what I did was added a little of the pasta water just to, get the juices flowing. And then I added my Italian herbs and the crushed red peppers, and that's basically it. This is now all done. It's the perfect side dish, or if you want, you can have this by itself because it's so flavorful and buttery and delicious. And like I said, I like to enjoy this all by itself because it's absolutely amazing. Here you see me adding some more Parmesan cheese over top, crushed red peppers, and some parsley. I had a bowl by itself, and then I had another bowl with some delicious steak and gravy that I made, which I will show you coming up next. So here you have it, a simple garlic butter noodle side dish. So now for the steak and gravy. Here I'll be using ribeye steak. You need a nice tender cut of steak for this recipe. And I have here some homemade beef broth. I also will be using some onions, garlic, some flour, and I have 2 sets of seasoning, which I will list in my description box. So to a preheated pot, I will now add my steak and I will cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want to cook it long because we don't want it to become, tough. So you want to add your seasoning, give it a toss, and just let it go, like I said, for about 3 minutes or so. Then we'll remove and set aside. Now to the same pot, you want to add your onions, give it a stir and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Next, in with our flour, then we'll follow up with our garlic, give it a good mix and allow to go for about a minute or 2. Here we will go ahead and add our beef broth. Now my beef broth is very well seasoned and it's packed with flavor. So I don't need to use a lot of seasoning here, but please feel free to season your gravy to your own liking and use your favorites. You don't have to use the ones that I am using. You want to give that a good mix and allow it to thicken. Once it thickens up, this is basically it. You want to add your beef into the gravy, give it a stir, and we will turn our heat off and get ready to plate. And here you have it, steak and gravy over garlic butter noodles. This was such a quick and easy and very simple dinner recipe. Trust me guys, it was so flavorful and amazing. I can't wait for y'all to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy